Pickup trucks are well liked all over the world for their dependability, comfort, and convenience while driving. It can be challenging to find a great pickup truck for under $10,000. Purchasing a used car can be difficult, and if you choose poorly, it might even end up being a hassle in the long run. Today I'll tell you about the most reliable 10 used pickup trucks for less than $10,000. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Chevrolet Colorado 2005 to 2012. The Chevrolet Colorado still comes out as a true workhorse on its own, despite not being the biggest number gainer midsize truck available. It is one of the most reliable compact trucks available and has a high used market value with an estimated average life of over 200,000 miles. The first-generation Chevrolet Colorado typically costs between $4,500 and $8,900. Ford Ranger 2006 to 2012. The third-generation Ford Ranger is renowned for its superior build quality, outstanding fuel efficiency, comfortable driving, and maneuverability. As a no-frills compact pickup truck, the Ranger is reasonably priced, but those who value technology might find it lacking in modern conveniences. This model's third generation is also affected by the infamous Dakota airbag recall. However, the tough pickup still provides strong dependability and capability over creature comforts, and many have a lifespan of at least 300,000 miles. Dodge Dakota 2004 to 2011. The Dodge Dakota has room for 5 passengers and is categorized as a mid-size pickup truck. Despite being quite roomy, the interior's use of subpar materials somewhat detracts from the truck's overall appeal. A 230 or 260 horsepower V8 engine, as well as a 210 horsepower V6 engine, are available for the Dakota from 2004 to 2011. For those of you who enjoy manual transmissions, the Dodge Dakota was offered in these year models with it. This truck costs $7,951 on average from 2004 to 2011. GMC Canyon 2007 to 2011. The GMC Canyon is another option for the nearly identical Chevrolet Colorado. The GMC Canyon is a unique pickup truck with a potent V8 engine that is well known for its fuel-efficient drive and striking appearance. The most prevalent V8 engine produces 300 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet of torque, with 2.9-liter and 3.7-liter 5-cylinder engines also being options. While the extended crew cab model can seat 6 people inside the truck, the regular cab version can only fit 3 passengers. The 2007 to 2011 GMC Canyon cost $9,912 on average. Ford F-150 from 2004 to 2008. One of the most popular trucks in America, the Ford F-150's 11th generation features an excellent ride, a cozy interior, and a potent engine. My recommendation is based on a rating of 4.3 out of 5 based on 279 verified owner reviews, despite some spark plug issues. The truck's excellent ride quality and high towing capacity are some advantages. Cons include less powerful engines than competitors and a greater stopping distance. It offers an average fuel economy of 13 to 14 mpg in the city and 17 to 20 mpg on the highway. Interior features include a DVD-based navigation system and an optional rear-view camera. The price range for the 11th generation Ford F-150 is $4,400 to $10,600. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 from 2007 to 2014. Due to its dependability and capability, truck enthusiasts hold the second-generation Chevrolet Silverado in high regard. One of the most popular trucks from the Chevrolet barn is the Silverado 1500 regular cab, which was designed for extreme utility. Many different models and engine types were available for the Chevrolet Silverado of the second generation. They were sold with manual transmissions in Mexico, but only automatic transmissions in the US. Early models of the second-generation Silverado typically cost between $5,500 and $8,800. Nissan Titan 2004 to 2015. The first-generation Nissan Titan has a 5.6-liter V8 engine that can produce 317 horsepower and is well known for its off-roading ability, rigid body structure, and impeccable handling. It comes in 2 variations, a crew cab and a 4-door king cab. The maximum weight that this truck can tow is 9,400 pounds, and it has a ton of interior features like a CD stereo system, cruise control, a backseat entertainment system, and more. Ford Explorer Sport Trac 2007 to 2010. Due to its 292 horsepower V8 engine, the second-generation Ford Explorer Sport Trac is renowned for providing a stable and powerful drive. There is a 12-volt outlet in the cargo box, and the interior is roomy. With a towing capacity of 6,600 pounds, you can easily pull a boat or trailer. The average price is $9,100. Chevrolet Avalanche 2007 to 2013. For those who prefer off-roading and require the capabilities of a full-size utility vehicle, the second-generation Chevrolet Avalanche is the best option. It has a 5.3-liter V8 engine, though a 6.0-liter V8 engine is also available. The 8,000-pound towing capacity of the Avalanche makes it simple to pull a boat or trailer. For better fuel consumption, it also has an active fuel management system. The used Chevrolet Avalanche sells for an average of $9,000 on the open market. Honda Ridgeline 2007 to 2014. The original Honda Ridgeline has a roomy interior with excellent front bucket seats and a large storage area. With a 3.5-liter V6 engine, an impressive all-wheel drive system, and about 8 inches of ground clearance, it can handle any terrain. Inside, the vehicle comes equipped with many driving assistance systems, such as vehicle stability assistance, cruise control, a CD stereo system, power sliding rear windows, and air conditioning. It costs approximately $9,116 to purchase on the market. You can find an additional information about each of these trucks on my YouTube channel. Hope this information was useful.